guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of this little guy right here. This is the SkinFix Foaming Oil Cleanser. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on this, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, one, I'm sorry about the glare in my glasses. Just sorry, I need my glasses today. And two, I got this in my QVC advent calendar, like I said in my Elmas review. I'll leave that linked down below if you guys didn't see that one yet. I am going to be doing a lot of reviews from the products that I got in there, and a lot of them are sample sized. So this is the SkinFix Foaming Oil Cleanser for healthy, beautiful skin. The creamy foam is a must-have to keep your skin feeling clean, soft, and supple. Washes away dirt and makeup and leaves skin feeling hydrated. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrance. On the QVC website, this full size retails for $35, but if you go on Ulta, it retails for $22. I don't know why there's a difference. This on QVC might come in a little set, but I will have everything linked down below. I'll have the QVC one and the Ulta link. It's also, if you just type in the name of this onto Google, you'll see it everywhere. It comes up like a million times. So this little sample, what is 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce, or 30 milliliters. This is dermatologist recommended, allergy tested, pH balanced, natural sulfate free cleansers, leave skin soft and hydrated with jojoba and macadamia oils for all skin types. So this is good for all skin types. If you are new here, I have dry skin, especially now that it is winter time. So to use this, obviously it's just like a normal cleanser. You just have to wet your face, massage into a lather on damp skin, rinse, and then pat your skin dry and keep away from your eyes. I really did enjoy this. When I saw that there was macadamia oils in it, I was a little concerned because, again, if you're new here, I'm allergic to nuts. Hi, I've been allergic since I was 3 years old. Using products with any kind of peanut or nut oil in it kind of just makes me a little nervous, but I have to remember that my allergy is if I smell really and smell it or ingest it. But I didn't really have any issues. This didn't break me out or anything with pimples or hives, which was really nice. This, I mean, I can't really breathe. This has like a nice smell. It's just like a nice, fresh, clean scent, in my opinion. It's not like a soapy scent. I mean, kind of is like a soapy scent, but it's not like a gross soapy scent, if that makes sense. It's just like a nice, clean scent. So this really helped hydrate my skin, especially around my nose area, because that's where I feel like I am the most dry in the winter time. So that was a really nice plus. I really liked the lather that this cleanser had, and I know that sounds weird, but it was just a very nice lather. I don't know, it just felt really nice and like silky on the skin, and I really enjoyed it. But I feel like that this really just did like clean out your face and get rid of all that gunk and just yuckiness from your skin, which I really did enjoy. I would definitely recommend this. I know it is a little pricey, but it definitely is worth it. And if you get it from Ulta for $22, you can always use your points and probably the $3.50 off, so it's gonna be like what, $19, $18, something, $18.50, but then plus tax. But you guys know what I mean. It's a really good cleanser and I highly recommend it. It's really nice, and I think I might get it again for winter because it is hydrating, and I really did like that about this. And that is it for this little SkinFix review. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried this cleanser out, or if you would try this cleanser out, and let me know if you've ever tried out SkinFix before. I've seen that they have a lot of products that I always wanted to try, so when I got this I was very excited to try this. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media because that is always linked down below, and I am always posting on social media. I always post on Twitter, and I try to post on Instagram at least once a day, so you guys all know I'm alive. No, I'm just kidding. It's just so I could grow my Instagram because I really want to grow my Instagram this year. That's all. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!